If you are already registered in the planning tool, you can have the Nebolus project team activate you as a multiplier. As a multiplier, you get administrator rights and can therefore independently manage several people who log into the planning tool to create scavenger hunts. Once you have received administrator rights, you will see the admin section on the left side of the planning tool. In this area, you manage the users you have invited. To invite someone to your team, send the person the invitation code that you see on your admin page. If that person provides the invitation code when registering, they will automatically be assigned to your team and appear here in your admin area. As a multiplier, you now have access to all scavenger hunts that the person assigned to you creates. As a multiplier, you can, on the one hand, manage the accounts of the people assigned to you, for example, change email addresses or passwords. On the other hand, by editing created scavenger hunts, you can actively support scavenger hunt planning and make changes to scavenger hunts if necessary, and thereby working cooperatively with other people in the planning tool. Take advantage of the opportunity to be activated as a multiplier if you would like to motivate people to use Nebolus and support them in using the planning tool. To obtain the administrator rights of a Nebolus multiplier, contact the Nebolus project team.